This video will provide a detailed demonstration of how to use IPPeak's username and password extraction mode, guiding you step by step through the entire process from setup to extraction. First, log into the IPPeak website and enter the dashboard. Here, locate your purchased plan and switch to the username/password mode. In the basic settings page, you can choose your target country. It is recommended to select only at the country level to ensure stability. In the same section, you can also configure rotating IP or sticky IP. Rotating IP assigns a new IP address with every request, while sticky IP maintains the same IP for a certain period of time, ideal for scenarios requiring stable connections. Next, let's take a look at the subuser feature. In username/password mode, you can create and manage sub-accounts for flexible usage. Go to the subuser page, click Add Subuser, then enter a username and password. You can also set a traffic limit before saving. Once created, you'll be able to generate proxy information under different sub-accounts, making management easier. After completing the above steps, the next step is to generate the proxy information. Select your proxy host, output format, and quantity, then click Generate. The generated proxy details will appear in the proxy list, which you can copy and integrate directly into third-party software. And that concludes the complete tutorial on IPPeak's username/password extraction mode. With flexible settings and sub-user management, you can quickly obtain the proxy resources you need for a wide variety of business scenarios.